Guys, so I said today Wednesday I'm going to be showing you guys the experiences that we may be experiencing during the solar and lunar eclipse collectively as a people. So I'll be showing you guys that in through the Nigerian charts, and as well our beloved guy PDM. As you know, eclipses are generally not auspicious, but in this September we're experiencing two eclipses. The first one is the lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse. Now the lunar eclipse is going to be happening around 7th of September. Why the solar eclipse is going to be happening around 21st. But usually, astrologically, we say that before 7th of September, the energy would have started coming because people would have started feeling the energy of the lunar eclipse. Same with the solar eclipse, because of course it's energy. Do you understand? And between 7th to 15th of January, both the lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse will still be feeling the energy. It is above, so as it is within, so as it is without. You see, whatever is happening outside, they happen inside of you. Anything will happen outside there, they happen inside your body. That is the nature of man in the universe. So as you're experiencing the physical aspect of this energy, of this eclipse, that's how you're also going to be experiencing it internal. You're going to be experiencing the internal aspect of it as well. Now, energy exists in polar opposites. What do I mean by this? Now, as it's happening positively in your life, that's how it's also happening negatively in your life as well at the same time. Because energy exists in polar opposites. So when this eclipse is happening, when your mind is being eclipsed, because the eclipse is a shadow planet. So when your mind or your identity or your personality is eclipsed, you ask yourself this question: why and what is eclipsing in my mind? What it means is that you could utilize that energy to create a transformative process for yourself. For example, if you are arrogant and the shadow planet is trying to eclipse that arrogance, now you have to reflect to tell yourself that, okay, I think it's the right time I become very humble rather than becoming arrogant, because that's what this energy is requesting from you in this timeline. For those who have their moon sign in Aquarius, why the eclipse and its shadow may be haunting or disrupting your mind? I would like to advise that it is the right time for you to shed some energies like arrogance, false pride. If you're narrow-minded, it's time to let all this go. I would have just advised you that you should embrace humility in this period, just to avoid the negative impact of this energy. Now let us look at Nigerian charts to see areas where this eclipse